Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at the GPU Technology Conference at the Supermicro booth with Rodolfo. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
Well, great. You know, this is a really busy show, but I thought we should start at the beginning, Rodolfo. Who is Supermicro and who do you help?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
So, at Supermicro, we specialize in making these server solutions. So, you know, from the ground up, from the motherboard to the chassis, really the in and out, we focus on tailor-made solutions for HPC and data center. Now, who do we help? Everyone who needs a lot of computing.
Okay, well, let's shift gears here a little about workloads.
Sure.
Well, what are you showcasing here?
Yeah, so this right here is our 1028 GQ, but we have 4 P100 SXM 2.0s in a 1U. And what this is doing is doing the deep learning. It's actually doing object recognition,
okay,
right? So inferencing. And this is just one use case for this box.
Yeah.
Very dense GPU computing, so it can do this inferencing, this learning at real time.
Okay, so what do we have here?
So this right here is our Twin Pro system for GPU computing. So we have 2 nodes in a 2U, and this is a perfect solution for NVIDIA Grid. So, you know, VDI, it's great in theory, but up until now, not many people were able to do a VDI implementation just because the hardware was kind of a limitation. So what we've done here is we've put enough horsepower under the lid to run high performance graphic workloads in VDI. So, for example, you know, doing things like CAD, you know, AutoWorks, all those different types of modeling, rendering type of workloads, you can get up to, I want to say up to 32 VMs on a single node. That way you don't have to deploy multiple workstations all over the office, right? Everything's running off one node, fully redundant. So, you know, it's all fault tolerant, high performance, and you know, all the users will be happy that they don't have a noisy giant PC for their rendering. All you need is a little thin client, and this thing does the rest.
All right, Rodolfo, it seems like VR is a big theme of this show. What do you got going here?
VR is a big theme, and Supermicro does VR. You know, Supermicro is synonymous with Pro VR. Here's a great example. What we have here is a militarized example of our VR solution. What we have is a very GPU dense, high performance system in the ruggedized case, but what it allows you to do is have eight people in the same VR space at the same time, right? And we're talking very, very big models running VR. It's not gaming. You know, yes, we do have gaming, but we are very focused on the enterprise and those levels of applications. So another example is picture yourself designing a bridge. You're designing the next Golden Gate, right? Well, it doesn't really make sense to have you and 7 other of your colleagues in different areas working on the same project in different times. What we can do is, with this same solution, bring it into a conference room. Everyone hooks up to their VR goggles, and in the middle of the table, now you have your bridge. And you can design it in real time, flip it around, turn it around, and everyone sees what you're seeing. It's the next level of collaboration.
Okay, Rodolfo, what are we looking at here?
So this one is very similar to what we saw previously. We have four GPUs, 1, 2, 3, 4, but these are the add-on card variety. So again, this is perfect for advanced analytics and things like that. So we partnered with Kinetica for this demo, and what you can see here, it's real-time tweets. So you could type in Inside HPC, for example, and you can see what people are tweeting about Inside HPC at real time. And you know, the sentiment, if people like what you guys are doing, obviously people love what you guys are doing. But yeah, it's a nice way to get the pulse, the real-time pulse of your audience out there.